guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make any flavoured ice cream using just 2 core ingredients. Now this ice cream is so easy to make and it is so delicious. I'm going to be showing you how to make Oreo ice cream, Biscoff ice cream and Nutella ice cream. But with this recipe, you can pretty much make any flavour you like. So I hope you enjoy this video and let's begin. So these are your 2 core ingredients. You need 1 tin of sweetened condensed milk or 397 grams. This one is actually 396 grams, but that's fine. You also need 475 millilitres of double cream or heavy whipping cream if you're in the US. I actually love how they have screw caps here. I think I said that in one of my other videos. I just think it's so handy. Like I've poured it into my jug already and I can just put the rest back. I think it's great. So in goes the condensed milk. By the way, you need to make sure that the condensed milk is sweetened and you're not using unsweetened or evaporated milk because it's just not gonna work. And then in goes the double cream. And now you're gonna grab your electric mixer, or you could use a stand mixer for this. You can do it by hand, but like I always say, it's gonna take you a long time if you're gonna whisk this by hand. So we're gonna whisk this until it's really nice and thick and fluffy. Okay, that is perfect. So as you can see, it's really nice and thick and fluffy now. I'm gonna put this over here. Hopefully it doesn't drip like last time. Now we're gonna separate it into 3 bowls or tubs. I've got out my fillings and I've got out my tubs as well. So this is what I'm gonna transfer the ice cream in to go in the freezer. They also come with these really cute butterfly lids. I think I got them from Home Goods. But yeah, they freeze really easily, or if you don't have tubs like this, you could always use like a loaf tin or anything that would just go in the freezer. As long as you can seal it so no moisture gets in, then it's absolutely fine. Okay, I'm gonna make the Oreo ice cream first. So I'm gonna transfer about 1/3 of the mixture into one of these tubs. Now, if I was at home, I would use 3 separate bowls to do this, but I only have 1 large bowl. So I'm gonna be doing this a little bit backwards, but you can do it easier than how I'm doing it. So scoop roughly 1/3 into here. Also, if you just wanted to make 1 flavor, then obviously just use this mixture and then just add whatever flavor you want. You don't have to obviously split it into 3, or you could half it and make 2 ice creams. Okay, I reckon that's probably about 1/3. I am just totally guessing here. And now we're gonna add in our Oreos. I'll put all the measurements that I use for the filling in the description. And I'm just gonna stir these in. Obviously, you can add as many Oreos as you like, and you can crush them up as finely as you like too, depending on whether you like big chunks or smaller chunks. If you really crush them down finely, then your ice cream's gonna turn gray, but totally up to you whether you want that or not. Okay, perfect. Now, lid goes on, and that is ready for the freezer. Now, this is where it gets a little bit complicated for me because I'm gonna transfer this out to put it back in again because I don't have enough bowls. So I'm just gonna take half of that out. Okay, I'm gonna set this one aside and I'm gonna add our Nutella to the bowl. Yum. Make sure your Nutella is at room temperature as that's gonna help it mix in more easily. And then grab your electric mixer. This is why I kept it in the bowl, and you're just gonna whisk this one in. Okay, let's just clean those off. So just gonna give this a stir to make sure it's fully combined. And you'll notice that the Nutella has made the ice cream go a lot runnier. That's perfectly fine, it will still come out amazing. The Nutella one is actually my favorite texture of ice cream. I think it's so good. Okay, grab your tub, and then we're just gonna pour this in. Perfect, grab your lid. And then that is gonna go in the freezer as well. Now, finally, the Biscoff ice cream. So I'm gonna pour this back into our bowl, which is now clean. I would whisk it in the tub, but I just don't think that's a good idea. And then add your Biscoff Spread. Yum. Again, this needs to be at room temperature. Grab your electric mixer and you're gonna whisk this until it's smooth. Perfect. And now adding in the Biscoff Biscuits. And I'm just gonna fold these ones in. Okay, nice. Now back into its tub. Okay, on goes the lid. Okay, that is also ready for the freezer. So I'm gonna freeze all of them overnight, but minimum about 6 hours, just so they're frozen all the way through.
Approximately 10 hours later.
We're back. Our ice cream is fully frozen now. And can we just appreciate that Bernie has decorated our ice cream cups for us, or ice cream glasses. This one has Kinder around the outside because it's the only chocolate we had, but Oreo and Kinder sounds amazing. This one has melted Biscoff Spread around the side, and this one has Nutella around the edge. So we're gonna scoop these into their glasses and then we'll do a taste test. This is the first time I'm using this cookie scoop, so hopefully, oh yeah, I was gonna say hopefully it works well. Oh my gosh, that Nutella ice cream looks amazing. I'm taking this home with me. It's a bit soft around the edges because I only had the freezer turned on to 3 and it should have been on 5. There we go, that is our Oreo ice cream. I feel like I should probably rinse this. Okay, let's scoop the Biscoff one. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. There is the Biscoff ice cream. Let's rinse this again. And last but not least, the Nutella ice cream. I was about to say, I'm expecting this one to be the softest. So the Nutella ice cream reminds me of like rich, sticky gelato. Oh, it's so good, like the texture. You can see it's just amazing. There we go. So that is all 3 ice creams. Let's do a taste test. I'm gonna taste them all today because I just can't resist. So let's start with Oreo. Oh my God, that's amazing. Okay, now Biscoff. And I'll choose my favorite at the end. I'm trying not to give too much away. And then Nutella. Oh no, now I can't decide. Texture-wise, I think the Nutella is the best. Like I said, it's just like a thick, sticky gelato and it's so nice and chocolatey. It's just amazing. My second favorite, or my joint first maybe, is the Oreo, because as you guys know, I just love anything Oreo. And I think cookies and cream ice cream is like one of my favorite ice creams anyway. I just don't really think you can beat it, except for maybe cookie dough. I could put cookie dough in that one as well. But anyway, there you go. I like this one too. It's just not my favorite. Okay guys, that is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or recipe suggestions, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.